Would you believe me if I told you you can play a game inside this? While browsing an online shopping mall, I came across a crystal cube display. It looked cool, but it was too small and didn't have the features I wanted, so I decided to make one myself. There were only 3 features I wanted: playing uploaded photos or videos, displaying the time and weather by default, and playing games inside the cube. To run a game, you need a high-performance PC, but if you put that inside the cube, it gets bigger. That defeats the whole purpose. So I thought about it. What if I leave the PC outside and have a mini PC receive the screen wirelessly and display it? I engineered the entire structure using Fusion 360. The most important thing I focused on during the engineering stage was selecting the display. I'll explain why brightness matters a little later. I also designed the brightness control button so that it can be pressed from the outside when combined with the cover parts. But once the engineering was done, there was still one problem. My 3D printer simply couldn't print a 100% transparent cube. So the solution I found was JLCPCB. In addition to the clear plastic parts I ordered this time, PCB production, 3D printing services, and plastic and metal CNC machining are all available in one place. Just upload your modeling file and you get an instant quote. The pricing is very reasonable, making it a perfect fit for personal projects like this. For me, it arrived in just 7 days via DHL, and I was amazed at how carefully everything was packaged when I opened the box. Use JLCPCB's wide range of services to create your own amazing projects. Let's finish the assembly. I secured the display to the 3D printed mount and mounted the mini PC to the back. Close the cover and place the cube on top. The hardware is complete. Now I need to make it actually work. From the PC control app to the mini PC drive code, I coded everything to make all the functions work. But seriously, haven't you ever wondered why the screen actually floats in midair? It's based on a principle called Pepper's Ghost. The light from the display reflects off a transparent acrylic panel set at a 45-degree angle, making it look like it's floating. It's the exact same concept as seeing the indoor room reflected in a window on a dark night. That's why the darker the background and the brighter the display, the clearer the effect. Now, shall we turn it on? In standby mode, it automatically shows the time, date, and weather. When sharing the PC screen, you can smoothly adjust the display without any lag depending on your Wi-Fi connection. It also allows you to switch the screen orientation freely. You can cast videos and photos to the screen. And finally, game mirroring. When you launch a game on your PC, the screen unfolds inside this small cube in real time. That's all for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button and look forward to my next video. Thanks for watching.